Atta Agyei. John Entry, lovely play from Entry. Here is Atta Agyei, chance for Dreams. It is Atta Agyei. Atta Agyei shoots and Atta Agyei scores. Asante Kotoko down by 2-0 at the theater of Dreams. This is a beautiful goal. John Entry worked the magic with a beautiful assist, and the solo run from Atta Agyei was not going to be stopped by any of the Kotoko players. He took his time and he's beating down loud. Dreams are up by 2-0. The power was not even enough, but it was brilliant enough to beat Dalad Ibrahim. He began the move, he got the ball to Entry. Entry flicked it back to him, he raced into Kotoko's area. Japan was tracking, Morrison was tracking, they couldn't catch me. It was about catch me if you can. Then the left-footed drive, no stopping. Dreams 2, Kotoko 0.